So we have the Bill Watkins smithy in the background, and we conducted the first blacksmithing workshop here. And this is really a beginning point for these types of arts and crafts programming that obviously have a huge interest with the community. We set out to get 10 people for this railroad spike knife making class, and we wound up with 17 people that wanted to take this class, and we had probably 13 people here today, and I have people on a waiting list to take the next class.
Hey, Dwight King here, Blacksmith, Raymond Casco Historical Society. First outing, railroad spikes today. We had 12 students. Hot day, but we all suffered through it. Everybody turned out knives, different varying degrees of success, but they all recognizable as knives. Some were functional, some were wall hangers. But it kind of brings the interest to forging and grinding and shaping, so turning a railroad spike into a usable piece that they take pride in what they've created after 6-7 hours here at the homestead, as it were, and invite everybody to look it up and see what other course offerings we got. There'll be knife making in the future. There'll be beginner blacksmithing, metal casting, forge building, woodworking. Give us a check out.
The blacksmithing forges that we use today are propane burning forges, and we can do a workshop whereby the students make their own and they walk away with it at the end of the class, and this allows them to do blacksmithing, knife making at their homes. And so there is a huge interest in these types of programs, and what better place to showcase and to offer these than at the local historical society. This is also a starting point for other classes, other related traditional arts that connect with Raymond Casco's historic past.